5 seconds. First, Paul Wiley. Second, Kenneth Beister. Third, Oliver. Fourth, Jack Campbell. Fifth, Clive. Sixth, Bruce Hahn. Seventh, Rob Macy. First, Paul Wiley. Second, Kenneth Beister. Third, Oliver. Fourth, Clive. Fifth, Jack Campbell. Sixth, Bruce Hahn. Seventh, Rob Macy. First, Paul Wiley. Second, Kenneth Beister. 2 minutes elapsed. Current top 6 are Paul Wiley, followed by Kenneth Beister, followed by Oliver, followed by Clive, followed by Jack Campbell, followed by Bruce Hahn. Third, Oliver. Fourth, Clive. Fifth, Jack Campbell. Sixth, Bruce Hahn. First, Paul Wiley. Second, Kenneth Beister. Seventh, Rob Macy. Third, Oliver. Fourth, Clive. First, Paul Wiley. Fifth, Jack Campbell. Second, Kenneth Beister. Third, Oliver. Sixth, Bruce Hahn. Fourth, Clive. First, Paul Wiley. Seventh, Rob Macy. Second, Kenneth Beister. Fifth, Jack Campbell. Third, Oliver. 4 minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Paul Wiley, followed by Kenneth Beister, followed by Oliver, followed by Clive, followed by Jack Campbell, followed by Bruce Hahn. Fourth, Clive. First, Paul Wiley. Sixth, Bruce Hahn. Seventh, Rob Macy. Second, Kenneth Beister. Fifth, Jack Campbell. Third, Oliver. First, Paul Wiley. 4th Clive. 3 minutes remaining. Current top 3 are Paul Wiley, followed by Kenneth Beister, followed by Oliver. 2nd Kenneth Beister. 6th Bruce Hahn. 7th Rob Macy. 3rd Oliver. 1st Paul Wiley. 5th Jack Campbell. 4th Clive. 2nd Kenneth Beister. 6th Bruce Hahn. 2 minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Paul Wiley, followed by Kenneth Beister, followed by Oliver, followed by Clive, followed by Jack Campbell, followed by Bruce Hahn. 3rd Oliver. 1st Paul Wiley. 7th Rob Macy. 4th Clive. 2nd Kenneth Beister. 5th Jack Campbell. First Paul Wiley. 3rd Oliver. 4th Clive. 2nd Kenneth Beister. 1 more minute remaining. 6th Rob Macy. 7th Bruce Hahn. 5th Jack Campbell. 1st Paul Wiley. Third Oliver. Second Kenneth Beister. Fourth Clive. Sixth Rob Macy. First Paul Wiley. Seventh Bruce Hahn. Fifth Jack Campbell. Drivers finish the lap you are on. Third Oliver done. Second Kenneth Beister done. Fourth Clive done. First Paul Wiley done. Sixth Rob Macy done. Seventh Bruce Hahn done. Fifth Jack Campbell done. Race complete. Next race 4WD Outlaw Main 3.